In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multiple Instagram accounts with AdsPower. We'll begin inside the AdsPower browser dashboard. Once you're there, click on New Profile to create a fresh browser profile for the account setup. After that, type in a profile name. This is simply a label to help you stay organized, so it's a good idea to use something clear that helps you recognize the account later. Next, choose your browser, then choose your operating system. These settings help define the profile environment, so make sure they match the setup you want to use. Now move down to the proxy settings section. In this area, click on Custom, then choose your proxy type from the available options. After that, enter the proxy details, including the host, the port, the username, and the password. Take your time here, because this part needs to be accurate for the profile to connect properly. Once everything is entered, click Check Proxy to confirm that the connection is working. After the proxy is verified, click Add Platform Account. From the list, select Instagram.com. If you don't see Instagram right away, click Other and manually type or paste the website link. Then enter the Instagram username and password for the account you want to add. If that account uses two-factor authentication, you can also enter the 2FA key in the provided field. To add more Instagram accounts to the same setup, click Add Platform Account again and repeat the same process for each additional account. This makes it easy to keep everything grouped and managed in one place without needing to start over each time. Once you've added all the accounts you want, click OK to save the profile. That's it. Your AdsPower profile is now configured for multiple Instagram accounts. As a final tip, double-check your proxy and account details before saving, since small entry mistakes can cause login or connection issues later.